point your feet, and you're gonna rise from the center. Rise, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, rise, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and look, and down, 6, arm, arm, and 1, head, 2, 3, 4, roll, 6, 7, 8, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, close, 5, 6, and that needs to be really sharp, and then you roll, 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn out, prepare, turns, and then get really low on this, get low, you go left foot, low, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, go, go, get low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, roll, go, 6, 7, 8, and this is, and 1, 3, low, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we keep our arms strong, 1, head roll, and go, 6, 7, stay low, lift, down, up, down, low, 4 start, back, stay low, get your knee almost to the ground, up, and jump, straight legs, and then plie, arms are straight, and then you come around, hands in your back, and you do 1 little head roll, good, and then you go 1, stretch your back leg straight, and then we come 3, 4, and then we go strong, strong, head, jump, jump, straight leg, point, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, suits and you arms down, 6, 7, 8, hold 1, this is you, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down point, and that's a slow slide, 2, hold 3, 4, go, 5, 6, 7, that tucks under, this is 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 5, heels up, and 7, and 8, 1, look away, drag, look away, look, 7, you go, 1, look, and land up, 4 start, 7, and 8, these girls, making sure they develop, hip is down, foot's turned under, 1, 3, and up, down, step, and then shunning, 1 and 2, 3, get low, 4, 5, lower, 6, 7, head stays forward the entire time, 8, and slide out, touch, slide out, touch, walk, 6, 7, 8, then 1, and you really travel on these, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, that leg, turn out here, turn out your bottom leg, and keep your arms down, and then ball change, turn, and go, rondinone, back, go, walk the 2 and 3, up 4, down, 6, 7, she goes, head roll 8, and they go, 1, 2, 3, get low, here, shoot, they go, step, turn, fifth, jump,